I look cute. Why am I this paying? Why am I paying? Welcome back to my channel. It's Beauty by Mona. Welcome. So yeah, I know I look cute or whatever, but yes, I know. You're loving the new hair, yeah? Yeah, don't worry, I'm gonna tell you how I got this hair, where I got it from, hey, where I got this hair from in the description box. So keep on watching. So keep on watching, guys.
I know these days have been getting harder, falling apart. It seems like love isn't getting stronger between our hearts. Make it through the day, we're just enough of hope to try to make a way through the miles of our own. But love keeps holding us through times we wanna fall. I know these days are tough, is that through it all? Or will you be by my side through the darkest days? Or will you be by my side even though I'm in pain? Or will you be by my side? By my side. It's been a long way to paradise, through the scars, through all the years, stained stormy skies, made it this far.
I did my makeup off camera because I need to do my makeup really quick and get out of here. So I'm gonna take this off. Hopefully it looks good. I need to rush out the house like ASAP, but this hair looks good. I'm just gonna put my fingers to it just to make it more fuller. I'm just loving the color. I wasn't expecting the color to be this vibrant, but I love it. Because if it wasn't this vibrant, I actually bought a dye just to dye it. But this hair is looking good. I love it. Oh, look like a proper like black Barbie doll, don't you think, guys? This looks good or whatever. Like, oh, I look cute. I look so cute. Yes. Okay, so I'm pretty much ready. I'm about to like hop out. So I'll leave all the details of this hair and I'll leave the link of this hair in the description box. So if you want to know anything, I would let you know like the length, what type of hair it is, where I got it from, everything is going to be in the description box. So do check it out. My lips, oof. Guys, can you see this lips? It's a new lip gloss I'm using, just in case you want to know. It's by Makeup Revolution. It's the Pout Bomb, and this has a vitamin E, and it's a plumping lip gloss. It's like that. Makeup Revolution. It's cute. Like it's everything is just popping with this hair. Like everything is just going. I look cute, like I look beautiful, like it looks melted enough, like it looks like it's going out of my scalp or whatever. So yes, I love this. I can finesse with this hair for a while. Any other questions you want to know about this hair, do leave it down below. Take care, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!